I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Celeste on piano. To begin your journey, start by finding the main theme's melody. Many beginner arrangements are in C major or G major, making them accessible. Locate middle C on your piano, which is crucial for hand placement. Practice the melody with your right hand at a very slow tempo, ensuring each note is correct. This foundational step will build your muscle memory and confidence for more complex sections. Once you have the right hand melody down, it is time to introduce the left hand chords. Many Celeste pieces utilize common chords like C major, G major, A minor, and F major. It is highly recommended to practice each hand independently until they feel comfortable. Then, slowly bring both hands together, paying close attention to the coordination. Aim for smooth transitions between the melody and the accompanying chords, creating a cohesive sound. To truly master Celeste on the piano, effective practice is key. When encountering challenging passages, break them down into smaller, more manageable phrases. Utilize a metronome to slowly build up your tempo, ensuring precision at every speed. Recording yourself can provide valuable insight, helping you pinpoint areas that require more attention. Aim for consistent practice sessions of 20 to 30 minutes each day to see significant and steady improvement. As you progress, focus on adding dynamics and expression to your playing. This will truly bring the beautiful Celeste music to life and convey its emotional depth. Listen to the original game soundtracks to gain inspiration for phrasing and musicality. Experiment with various articulations, like smooth legato and crisp staccato, to add character. Most importantly, enjoy the rewarding process of learning and expressing this incredible game's soundtrack on your piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.